Hello viewers, today for initial checkout we have a set of Uniden telephones. These should be a set of 2080s. Got these from my friend Ron. He sent them over more or less for the cost of shipping, so thanks again Ron for sending these over. They do supposedly have a problem. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but we're going to find out now. Let's see, what is this? Here's a magnet. I couldn't find a paper clip. So it looks like we have a magnet. This is Ron's channel on YouTube. Go take a look at it and see if there's anything of interest on there for you. I'll put that over here for the duration of the video, since technically this video is in a sense provided by him. Okay, this is taking way more effort than it's worth. There we go. Okay, that's stuff for me. This is a Post-its note thing, which is kind of cool. It's like a little palette. Maybe hang on a wall, or someone could probably make use of that. I can make use of just about anything. Let's see here. Now for the phones, we have manual, which is one of the things I was after in this auction. Honestly, even if the phones turn out to be worthless, I did want the manual, and I think this also has the wall mount bracket, which was another thing I was after as well. Excuse me. Alright, so we got one cradle, two cradles. Let's put those in view of the camera. That would be beneficial. We got a phone cord, which I have more of these than I could ever fathom what to do with. A base unit power cord. No, what is this? This is an Atlinks one. That'll work. It's the same specifications and whatnot. But that's not original. This is the base power cord, and I guess we'll use these two on cradles. Well, this is rather dry footage. Jeez, okay. It took a lot longer than I expected it to. Try to go a little faster this time. Okay, that was better. Here we go, here's the wall mount. This was really the other thing I really wanted out of this auction, so we got those two. And we have the base. Which appears to be wall mount only, because it doesn't have the other thing that goes under. But I believe actually, I guess it doesn't matter. I think you could use it with that piece on or off. I'm not sure they're mounted. Anyways, there's that. Not sure how we're going to do this without mounting on the wall. We have handset number 1. Handset number 2. And handset number 3. Now I believe that if you're watching this, Ron, these are the ones that you had taken apart and cleaned out. You forgot to put the headset jack thing back in there. Anyways, let's see, do these have batteries in them? No, no batteries, okay. Actually I have these batteries. They're not the right size, but they'll work just to test the equipment. So let's get everything powered up. I'll have to record this kind of like up against the table there. I'll just put these batteries in here just for testing purposes. Hopefully these have a charge. I really don't know if they do or not. And it looks like that one is handset number 6. That's kind of bizarre. And we got handset 2. We'll see which number this one is. So that one is going to be handset number 1. Something odd going on with this telephone. Looks like the bottom line of the screen is not working, and that's something I've never seen before. At least not on these telephones. Anyway, so let's get the test line connected here. That seems to work. I don't know, I didn't hear any interference there. That all sounded okay, but let's make a call, because maybe it's on the other end or something. He said there was some interference with them. It's kind of a vague description, so I'm not really sure what to expect here, but let me transfer this phone line over and then call up the phones. Let me set up the answering machine first.
Hi, you have reached the...
Not sure who that is. We're going to get them off of there. Okay, I guess the center button on that one's not working, so let's try to do it on this one. It looks like they're all plagued. It's the button problem. Okay, well I guess we're not going to do it on the handset. I think we can do it on here.
Hi, you have reached Signal. If you would please leave your name and message...
We've reached who?
Hi, you have reached Signal. If you would please leave your name and message, we'll get back with you as soon as possible. Thank you.
Record greeting.
some of the buttons on this telephone don't work. Okay, I don't know what the ring time is on these. I suppose, yeah, there's no chance of that working at all. Okay. I suppose if I was really ambitious, I could go around and... Oh, it looks like this one ain't work enough just to do it. Okay. I want two... Whoops. If I was really ambitious, I'd just go ahead and register this one to there so I could use it that way, but that would still involve scrolling because that's number 6, so I think the registration is probably full. Okay, that worked. I'm not sure what ringtones we have in there. We'll find out momentarily. So I'm going to go ahead and call up these telephones now. Turn that on. Looks like these are patriotic phones. At least one of them is. I don't think I turned the answering machine on. I didn't turn the answering machine on, so it's not going to actually take the call. Hello? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Telephone test. That seems to work okay to me. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Check. Testing for interference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That handset seems to be okay. Let's move on to the next one here. Hello. 1, 2, 3. This handset sounds pretty good too. That echo is not a function of the phone not working. It's just because the phones are too close. Telephones are not meant to be used 2 feet away from each other. Testing, 1, 2, 3. That one seems to be okay as well. Let's try this one, which has a screen issue. Hello. Whoa. Was that some feedback? Hello. Testing, transmit. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This one seems to be a little wonky when I first turn it on. Maybe it's okay now. Let's get it off speaker to reduce some of the echo. Check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Seems to be okay now. Testing. Check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm not hearing any abnormal interference or feedback on this telephone at all. So that's good. Let me turn the answering machine on.
No messages.
That's not turning it on.
Answering system.
Now it's on. And let's call again and we'll record a message. Of course, I don't know if the call screening is on. It's probably on. What happened? Hello? Check. Well, that certainly didn't work correctly. Let me try and turn the call screen off, although that's not going to cause it to not work. let's try again.
Some of the buttons on this telephone don't work.
Oh, you know what happens? Or what's happening? It's on announce only, which is why there is an A on there. So let's get it off of that setting. Okay, where is it? There we go, we'll do 1 minute. Okay, take 75, here we go.
Some of the buttons on this telephone don't work.
Okay, now it seems to be working correctly. The quality of that greeting left a lot to be desired. I don't think What in the world? Why did it cut me off? Alright, I'm not going to waste any more time on this answering machine. I think it's something's jacked up with it. Anyways, alright, well, there's definitely some major problems going on with this set, but as previously advertised, I really just wanted the manual and wall bracket. So if the rest of the stuff is semi-worthless or just good for parts, I don't have a problem with that because I got the components I really wanted. So I don't know what's wrong with this right now. There does appear to be something wrong with the entering machine, and of course the center navigation buttons are not working correctly, but that's nothing out of the ordinary. So anyways, I'll put these in the bin to refurbish, but I don't think this is something I'll be getting to anytime soon because I already have a working set.